guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Today I have a couple fun things that I have purchased that I want to share with you guys, and then I kind of have an idea for a follow-up video that I'm not sure I'm going to do, but we'll get to that in a minute. Before we start all of that, I would like to welcome anyone new to the channel. I do tons of different videos such as unboxings, candle reviews, I talk about things that are on my mind, and a bunch of other seasonal stuff depending on what time of the year it is. If any of that sounds interesting to you at all, please subscribe down below. So today's video, I have purchased something that when I was younger, I wasn't really into Barbies. There was Bratz, and I always thought Bratz were so much cooler. And they have released these Bratz minis. I don't know how long they've been out for, but I've just became aware of them recently. And there's a couple different versions. There is the Bratz mini dolls, and there's 2 dolls in here. So I have 2 of those that I've purchased. And then there is the mini Bratz cosmetics. And this is what I saw. I saw it, I think, on Hope Scope. Is that whose channel I saw it on? That or Mia Maples? I can't remember. But I saw it on one of their channels, and I was like, what? It's the tiniest, cutest little makeup, and so I bought 4 of them. So we're gonna open them today and see what we get, and I'm thinking maybe in a separate video, depending on what we get, I'll try to do a full makeup look with just these little minis. I thought that would be a lot of fun, but we'll see how it goes. It depends on what we get. So I think first we'll do the doll ones. I'm just gonna really quickly take them out of the wrapping and then we'll open them together. So it looks like this fun little kind of, I don't want to say pyramid shape, but very similar, I think. Apparently this turns into a display case for whichever ones you get. It just says mini Bratz on it, and it's this really cool purple. And then inside, okay, so we've got them both in little pouches. We will do this one first, and then we will do the other one. Let's see what we get. We've got Sasha from the 20 Years Bratz. Very cool. I want to say the one I liked the most growing up was Jade. I do hope I get her in one of these 4. We have the Bratz Wintertime Collection Yasmin. So we got the Yasmin Wintertime Collection. Let's open up the other 2. Alright, let's see who we get in this one. So we've got another Yasmin, but this is just the original Bratz collection one. And then we have the Bratz Tokyo Go-Go, and it is Chloe. So I got 2 different Yasmins, Chloe and a Sasha. So no Jade, but these are really cool. They're really tiny too. So I'm going to put these back in here, and then we will move on to the cosmetics one, which I'm not going to lie, I am slightly more excited for that one because I think it's just really funny. So put those aside, and now on to the makeup ones. These ones are a slightly different color. They're not purple, they're like a pinky fuchsia color, I'd say. Alright, I'm just going to get all of these little packs out first, and then we'll open them. And I didn't pay much for these. I can't remember exactly, but I think they were 5 a piece or something like that. So, like, not too crazy. Alright, last one. Luna is watching off to the side in confusion, which is understandable. Okay, let's slide these over and open them one at a time. I'm very excited about this because I think it's hilarious. Alright, so this first one is a shadow palette. I don't want to tear up the packaging. It's very cute. And this is a jade palette. So I may not have gotten a jade doll. I got a little jade palette. Oh, that's cute. So there's a bunch of little shadows in there that are usable. I'm gonna have to find a brush tiny enough. So it does not come with a brush, unfortunately. But there's also a little mirror in there. Very, very cute. So we've got that one. Just for reference though, the doll packs were a little more expensive than the makeup ones. Alright, we got another shadow palette, but this one looks like it is Yasmin. Very cute. What are the colors on that one? If I had to pick an item I'm hoping to get the most, it's probably a mini mascara. Just because I think that would be the funniest. Okay, so this one is a little pink purse, but it has something inside of it. The little purse is kind of cute, a little handbag. This is the tiniest little box, I swear. I don't want to break anything. I'm trying to be gentle, but it's so tiny. Oh my god. This is absolutely adorable. This is probably the tiniest little lipstick I have ever seen. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is just, oops, there is a little lipstick on there, and it's like a deep red color. Oh my god. I don't know why I find that so fun, but I do. Maybe it's because it's so tiny. So we've got our little lipstick. If I'm not mistaken, you get a little bag with every set, so I should have 4 bags. This one is purple, very cute as well. It looks kind of blue on camera, but it's purple. And this is a little compact mirror, okay? Again, a very tiny box and a very, very tiny little compact. Oh, it's actually got makeup in it too. I don't know if that's like a concealer or what are you? The writing is so small I can't really tell you what it says. It just says compact, round compact mirror. So I don't know what kind of makeup that is. Oh, it's a round eyeshadow. Okay, it says it on the back. This little pull-out thing. Very, very cute. We have another duplicate jade eyeshadow palette, so I'm not going to open that. We already know what that looks like. Then we have a Sasha eyeshadow palette. Okay. Ooh, very pretty. A lot more colors that I would use. A lot of darker and natural tones. Very, very pretty. More to go. Alright, another little pink bag. And this one also says round compact mirror. And it's an eyeshadow. And it looks like it is the same color. Is that? And one more. Another little pink bag. And this one is another lipstick. I wonder if it's going to be the same color or a different color. So I am sad I didn't get a mascara, but that's okay. This one doesn't want to come out. Come on. Oh, I accidentally ripped the box. Oh well, it was fighting with me. And this one looks like it is more of a berry color. So it is a slightly different color. It does have like a little bee on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. So those are all of the items I got in these little mini Bratz blind packs. I think they're hilariously cute. Apparently there's also like a bronzer and a mascara, and I don't know what else. I think like a concealer kit. So I might order a couple more to see if I can get maybe the mascara so I can do like a full look. And if I do, I will definitely update you guys and do that video. Let me know what you thought about this below. I think it's so freaking cute, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.